Good morning, students. Welcome to your Lesson 2 overview for your figure drawing unit. This video is going to discuss your task list for this lesson, so please make sure you pay close attention so you know what needs to be completed and how to complete it. So your learning goals for this lesson are to examine how artists create mood or feeling within an artwork, and then second, to revise one of your gesture drawings to develop a figurative work with accurate proportion that conveys mood and feeling. So you're essentially going to be revising one of your 5 drawings from the last lesson and submitting that, which you'll hear more about in the instructional video below. Your central question is, how do artists create mood or feeling within the artwork? So please keep that question in mind as you're watching the videos below, so you can learn how to answer the essential question for the learning log. And then your vocabulary words are mood and movement. So first, as always, watch your Lesson 2 vocabulary video, then answer your entrance ticket. Your entrance ticket questions are: what is mood, what is movement, and how does mood and movement help an artist create a specific feeling in the artwork? That should only take you a few minutes to do that. Once you've done that, watch the Lesson 2 instructional video so you know what revising your gesture drawing looks like. This is, of course, very important, as it is every lesson. And then once you are finished with that, please start working on your art assignment. And when finished, submit a photo of a revised gesture drawing from Lesson 1 that has accurate proportions to the Lesson 2 progress photos discussion. The accurate proportions part is key. So please make sure you're focusing on making sure every part of the gesture drawing is in accurate proportions as far as the placement and size. It should look as accurate as possible. All right, with that said, lastly, your materials are still going to be the paper and the charcoal, so please keep using those. And just as a visual navigation, you got the vocab video first. You watch that, complete your entrance ticket for 3 points. Watch your instructional video for what you need to do for this lesson. And lastly, just submit your completed progress to number 5 here, and you'll be good to go. All right, I look forward to seeing you all in class in the vocabulary video below. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you soon. Okay, bye, guys.